Lektion 33 Part 2. In this video, I have discussed three German nouns starting with ha, with German sentences, together with English meanings and translations. In the video, there is a German sentence. Now, blue arrow indicates English meanings and translations. The German spelling of English is English. In this video, both English and English are used for proper understanding. Please see the video till end. Now, number one, singular, das Haus. English meaning the house. Plural, die Häuser. English meaning the houses. Der Satz, German sentence. Das Haus ist sehr schön. English, the house is very nice. Here, the German verb applicable is sein. The conjugation of sein verb is sein, English meaning be, am, is, are. The conjugation ich bin, du bist, sie, es ist, wir sind, ihr seid, sie, sie sind. Now here, es ist, das Haus ist. English meaning the house is. Note that das Haus is a neutral gender German noun. Number 2. Singular. Das Heft. English meaning the notebook. Plural, die Hefte. English meaning the notebooks. Der Satz. German sentence. Ich habe zwei Hefte. Now English, I have two notebooks. Here the German verb applicable is haben. The conjugation of German verb haben is haben, English meaning to have. Conjugation ich habe, du hast, sie es hat, wir haben, ihr habt, sie haben. Here, ich habe, English meaning I have. Number 3. Singular, das Hemd. English meaning the shirt. Plural, die Hemden. English meaning the shirts. Der Satz, German sentence. Die Hemden sind billig. Now English, the shirts are inexpensive. Here, the German verb applicable is sein. The conjugation of sein verb is sein, English meaning be verb, am, is, are. Now the conjugation ich bin, du bist, sie, es ist, wir sind, ihr seid, sie, sie sind. Now here, sie sind, they are. Now German, die Hemden sind. English meaning the shirts are. Das ist alles. English, that's all. Danke im Voraus. English meaning thanks in advance. Thank you.